Are you wondering what February 2025 has in store for you? Well, I have the card to help guide and illuminate the energy of the month. I'm Brandi Mars Sky, and this is your February 2025 Tarotscope. So typically I pull these at the beginning of the year for all 12 months. This year feels different. This year feels like we need to be more present and in the moment than we ever have before, because so much is changing and shifting so quickly that our cards of the month want to be a reflection of that. And so I've decided to pull the cards each month and share with you that way. That way we get a really good mirror of what the energy is right now and how we can best use it to amplify and illuminate the aspects of our life that we wish to change or want to dive deeper with. So our card for February 2025 is a really, really beautiful, mysterious one. We have the High Priestess. And what I love about this card for us is that it's saying to really dive deeply into our intuition. Our intuition is going to be our guide. Our intuition is going to show us what to do next, especially in moments when we're like, what the fuck is happening? What do I need to do? What's going on? She's here to help, along with the Hermit, which is the card for 2025. They're both here to help illuminate the path with the most heart. And if we are going to really be solid forces for ourselves and our people and our creativity and our art and our magic in 2025, we really have to learn how to illuminate our own path. And we do that through intuition and through time with ourselves. And the best way that I found to do that is through journaling. Not only do you find out so much about yourself, you rediscover facets of yourself that you completely forgot were there, but it also helps reignite that connection between your intuition and what you know about yourself to be true. And then it also helps move that forward in your life if you choose to take action in that way. And that's what I'm hoping that our card, the High Priestess, is illuminating you to do, is to follow your intuition. First, be by yourself. Learn, discover, reconfigure who you are through the act of journaling. Follow the intuitive hits that come through on the page and see how you can action them out in your life. That's the pathway through to inner wisdom that the High Priestess calls in for us, right? We have the pillar of inside and we have the pillar of outside, inner, outer worlds, outer, inner, macro, micro, right? Bringing that all together in us by first reflecting and seeing what is already here, intuitively following like the light rabbits, those little intuitive hits and sparks that inspire us, and then taking that inspiration, taking that light and walking it out in the world, right? That's how we create change. That is literally how change is made. And that is how we're going to change our life. And then become a ripple for everything else. But it all starts with us first. It starts with the inner. It starts with the High Priestess. It starts here with what we do internally. So your praxis for this month is to get out your journal, spend 5 minutes just writing down, writing through. I'll even share a prompt below to start to shift to see what's there, like sifting gold, see what's there. And then once you know what's there, reread your journal and see what what shimmers like as you read? Is there something that catches your attention? Is there something that pulls you towards it? If so, follow that intuition, follow that inkling, follow that pull, that call to further explore it. And then see if you can siphon out one action that you can do from your writing. If you do that every single day, I guarantee you you're going to see shifts in your life. I guarantee you that things are going to change, because it can't not change, because you are making change. And once you start to change, everything else starts to follow suit, right? Energy begets energy, movement begets movement. Once you start to move, the universe conspires to move with you and move things for you and in relationship and in tandem with you. So happy February. This is a really big card, really big energy. I believe in you. I see you. I believe in us. I love you, and I will see you next month in Lakesh.